so today is my first time trying ASMR. As you can see, I actually don't know what I'm doing, and I know this is like literally the latest I can join this ASMR trend. I think it literally happened 3 years ago, but let's try it now. Yeah, I know you guys probably seen a ton of ASMR. If you haven't, you are in for a treat. This is probably the weirdest thing you're gonna see in my channel for a while. Because I'm gonna be whispering into this microphone, and apparently it's supposed to make you feel tingly. Yeah, okay. I don't know what I'm eating today. Hopefully it's like gonna be very satisfying for you to listen to. And I'm also gonna be playing with stuff that makes noises, so hopefully that'll be satisfying as well. We're gonna start this ASMR thing. Yay! Let's go. So the first thing we're gonna do ASMR with today is popping candy. Apparently it's gonna crackle in my mouth, so you guys can listen to that. I could get more saliva in there. I'm not sure how to open this. Oh, I can rip it anyway. Oh, this is green apple flavor. It's artificially flavored. It's not real green apple. I'm dropping it on the table already.
in my head, I thought it was like a crunch. This one's gonna be so much fun. That's right, we're gonna open up this Coke can. Are you ready, guys? It reminds me of the popping candy. Okay, I gotta get better at drinking soft drink. I'm very bad at this, guys. I had one job. That's to eat things. And I think I'm failing. Kinetic sand. Let's rip